wants ice cream?
Peek, peek, peek.
Lily does.
Like.
Oh, it's so small.
Yeah, that's right.
It's not as big as Chaka's,
Different sizes are.
but it's perfect for a butterfly.
One is tiny, such a shame. Oh, delicious.
Maybe Blue will share his.
Cream. Let's share. Yummy, yummy.
No, he wants to eat all of it.
Can we cut it into parts?
He doesn't want to share.
Sharing, yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Oops, now no one can have it.
Oh no!
Sorry. Let me
Wait,
think.
Chaka has lots to share.
Ding, ding. Giant ice cream is what we need.
Here you go.
Ice cream splash. So much fun.
Hey, they're not the same size.
My lovely ones.
Oh, that's not fair!
Blue wants some of Lily's dinner.
It tastes so good.
Huh?
Nom, nom, nom.
She won't share,
Yummy, yummy. I want some.
so he'll be sneaky.
We cut it into parts. Share.
Don't fight, kids. You'll make a mess.
Yum, yum, yum. Hurry, hurry.
What else can they have?
Oh. Beep, beep, beep. What?
Let's have a hamburger, please.
I eat hamburger. Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
Yay!
Chaka got the itty-bitty burger.
One was tiny. Oh, no, no. They keep
Will they share with him?
it. I want some more.
Hey, that's more.
Nope, but Chaka has a plan. It's not a good one.
Yummy, yummy. I want some.
Maybe that one is too big.
Cut it into parts. Cherries.
Bye-bye, burger.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
They should have shared.
Hooray.
Oh no! Alien Daddy lost his magic remote.
What is this cool button? I wonder what it does.
It landed by Blue. What will he do?
Let's check it out. Wow.
That's so cool.
To use it now.
Yum, ice cream. Can Blue have some?
Mama, mama, magic
Zip, zap. Lily is little now,
from a different world.
but she has a trick up her sleeve.
Magic control.
Yikes, brain freeze.
Things can go my way. I
Maybe you both can work together.
take, but I like to be good and share everything with you.
Oh, you can make a giant milkshake.
Mama, mama, magic.
It's a little messy. Lily broke her dragon kite.
My kitey.
Will Blue help fix it?
I want to play. No, it's mine. You
No way. He just wants to play.
play. It's not fair. Come back here.
Lily, Blue can't hold on.
Mama,
A ball pit will help.
control. From
Hooray, she saved Blue.
Mama, mama, magic.
Tape won't work.
Oh.
It's time for some magic. Poor Daddy Alien. What will happen next, kids? Let's find out.
Can go my way. I can be bad and kick, tick, tick. But I like to
Blue, that's not nice.
share everything with you.
Yikes, that's not hair. It's snakes. But they are kind of silly. Haha.
Control. From a different world.
That's much better. Ooh, can Lily play the game too?
Can we share these games?
She'll just use some magic again.
Mama, mama, magic.
Blue's an itty-bitty baby boy. And babies are a lot of work. What can Lily do, kids?
I can be bad and tick, tick, tick. But I like to be
Yes,
good
she can use the magic remote.
deal with you.
It's broken. Daddy Alien can fix it.
Mama, mama, magic control.
Now he has to go home. What is Lily up to?
Looking for tracks. Tracks, tracks, tracks.
She changed Blue into a cat.
Oh, look. Tracks, tracks, tracks.
A hairball. Yuck.
Look, what do we see? Tracks, tracks, tracks.
Yay, Blue's back to normal.
Step, step, let's walk.
But now he has a sneaky idea.
We find tracks on the floor.
He'll turn Lily into a dinosaur.
Tracks, tracks, tracks. What are these tracks?
Did you hear that? It's a T-Rex.
Tracks, 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 tracks in the mud. Tracks in
Quick,
the sand.
change Lily into something else.
Big ones by the hand. Tracks, 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 tracks.
This will turn her into a mermaid.
What are these tracks? Oh, look. Tracks, tracks.
Phew, it's safer underwater.
Mud on the left.
And there's treasure. Yippee.
Little squirrel tracks. Pitter pat. Bite by bite.
Oops, it's an octopus home.
Tracks are hiding everywhere.
It's time for another change. But what?
And round the bush we go. Following the
Lilia has a tail. She's a wolf.
we're walking and looking for tracks. Tracks, tracks, tracks.
And that's a witch.
Oh, look. Tracks, tracks, tracks.
What should they do, kids?
Tracks in the mud. Tracks in the sand. Time.
Blue knows what to do.
Ones by the hand. Tracks, 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 tracks.
Lily's a human again.
What are these tracks? Oh, look. Tracks.
Almost. Haha.
Maybe, but
Stand up, Lily. Blue has something to show you.
maybe a bird went tip, tip, tap, tap. Shh. Listen.
He turned a footprint into a lion.
One more step and there are two.
It's so cute.
Looking for tracks, tracks.
We need to make one for Blue.
What are these tracks? Oh, look. Tracks,
And what will it be?
tracks, tracks, tracks in the mud. Tracks in the sand.
It's a cute little penguin.
Tracks, big ones by the hand. Tracks, tracks, tracks.
They want to make something even bigger.
What are these tracks? Oh, look. Tracks, tracks.
And they'll make it together.
Tracks, tracks. Woo, woo, woo. Tracks, 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 tracks. Woo, woo, woo.
What does it look like?
And we laughed.
It's a dinosaur, of course.
Four tracks, 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 tracks. What are these tracks?
And it wants the cute stuffies.
Tracks, 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 tracks.
Is he behind the chair?
In the sand, tiny little tracks.
No, that's a frog behind there.
Tracks, 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 tracks.
Is he in that bush?
Tracks. Oh, look. Tracks, tracks, tracks.
It's a cucumber. That's Puppy's favorite treat.
Step and there are two.
Blue knows where he's hiding.
Four tracks, 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 tracks. What are these?
And he's making a really big mess.
Tracks, 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 tracks in the mud.
Now they can grab their toys.
Tiny little tracks, big ones by the hand.
First, lure the dinosaur away.
Tracks, tracks, tracks. What are these tracks? Oh.
Then set the slime trap. It's so sticky, but not sticky enough.